Oh yeah, gonna go for a ride. Finally, get out for a little ride today. Gonna go see a new bike, the Triumph Tiger 900 Rally Pro. And here at cool. Southern California Triumph, here to check out the new Triumph Tiger 900 Rally Pro. Got a press bike here I'm gonna take for a demo ride, and got broken off here. I wonder if this is the one they gave Steve Camrad, huh? Really cool TFT display here. So I get to experience that. It shows me the RPMs and speed, and wow, fuel, temperature. So I'm at about 70 miles an hour and about 4,500 RPMs in 6th gear. Very smooth. You know, a lot of new bikes feel like that, but this is particularly smooth. I was told it could be vibey in the review that was done by Visor Down, and someone else told me the same thing. I don't know, I'm not feeling any vibes though. I'm going 70, so that's a good sign. Kind of cool. There's a cigarette lighter socket up here in the front, and there's one in the back next to the seat, right under the seat. So there's two of those accessory ports, which is really cool. And then this model, the Rally Pro, actually comes with heated seats. It's pretty cool. Hand grips.